Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to review and test new feature which was added to the DJI Fly app, and actually yesterday it was released and placed in Apple App Store. So now it's available for iPhone and I can stream right from my phone. So actually it takes the stream from the drone, accept it to the iPhone, and can kind of restream it to some RTMP. It's not a new feature from DJI. Up until now it's available in the app DJI Go 4, which is designed for advanced version of drones like a Spark and Phantom series, but from now it's available in DJI Fly app, which is designed for budget drones like Mini, Mini 2, Air, Air 2, Air 2S. So you need just to upgrade to the version 1.4.12, and let's get back to stream. So I will use, of course, YouTube where you are watching this video. So the link to that actual stream is right down below in the description to this video. So following me and let's get fly now. But before that we need to make some home preparations. So from YouTube just click create and go live, and you will be redirected to the stream setting up page. So over there you need to stop the stream. The main thing you need is just to create the title, description, make it visible for broad audience or make it private one. So and then we need to copy stream URL. We can do that and copy paste to the notepad. So just in order to paste on iPhone and a stream key, so we need to add stream key right after the slash to the main URL, and it's our stream key, stream URL, sorry, and we just can copy paste it later on iPhone. So the same you can do for Facebook. Just in your timeline click create a stream. You can add some title and description to the stream, and yeah, you need to click some like a manual wizard, and the same you need to copy paste this stream key with the main URL, which can be found in advanced settings. So just copy and paste it into the notepad in order to paste later on your iPhone in convenient way. So here we go, the same way. And now it's time to make some preparation on iPhone. The first thing, you need to upgrade DJI Fly app to the latest version on your app store, and open the app and go to the settings in the top right button, and go to the transmission tab. Over there is a new live streaming platforms button. RTMP protocol is currently supported. It stands for real-time messaging protocol. It's very popular among streamers, but I think very soon YouTube, Facebook and some other platforms will be added. And over here you need to paste that stream URL copied before in browser. So now stream automatically started, so you can control the stream and turn on and off microphone, and as well as end the stream. So that's it about settings. Now it's time to make some stream. Actually, I'm ready to fly. I am right now in the center of the Kiev, and I'm going to take off right here nearby the Bogdan Khmelnytsky monument. Oh, not only me, shooting some video over here. So I have upgraded the DJI Fly app, and now I can go live just from the drone camera. So let's do some test tour around the center of Kiev all together. Let's get fly. That's a sample from my video stream. Link to it you can find in the description below. So I would like to highlight some problems which I faced during that streaming. So the first problem is you can see like the bad sound, the bad microphone quality. So it's because of delay of the stream, so you can't fix it. And the second problem is also there is some latency in the picture, so definitely it's not 180 quality, but as for some events I think it's more or less acceptable to use. Later on you can see the statistics of your streaming in YouTube Studio in your browser. So here I streamed for 15 minutes. So it's done. Thank you for being with me. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this feature. Now you can fly online and share what you can see with a lot of people, with a lot of audience. And have a nice day. Bye bye.